No, your country.
Before this debate about the restaurant, waitress, back customers, English is foreigner, also Asian is not English. For the Battle of China before the America is in the Philippines right to World War III. 27 and 18 to hate American hate Asian to all Asian as damages to American people in hate because our politics is commented over the other people back the war and back to other American people, Chinese people, Asian people's hate, but not all the people because kanya-kanya tayo ng opinion whatever the self are protected and a bottle of you our not your accent and forgiveness is you are not a foreigner because you are a small body you are Asian born it's not a foreigner